Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy. In this video, we are going to see how to integrate Stripe. Now, what is this Stripe? Stripe is nothing but a payment gateway through which you can accept payments online through your website or your e-commerce website, right? Using customers can pay using their cards, credit cards or debit cards, right? So right now what we have right now, we have just enabled cash on delivery, I guess. So if you go to your dashboard and under WooCommerce, you need to open settings, and under settings, if you open payments, you will see these three options. I have toggled this bar, this button over here. In the sense, I have enabled this button. By default, it will be like this. So I have enabled this button so that you will be able to see cash on delivery option in the checkout right now, right? You will be able to see cash on delivery as a payment option, pay with cash upon delivery. So I don't want to deal with cash, so I need some payment methods through which my customers should be able to pay online. So the Stripe is the simplest way through which you can accept payments. So yeah, Stripe is international payment gateway, so it is for multiple countries. It supports payments, so you can easily make payment through Stripe. So that's the reason, as a merchant or as a developer also, you need to suggest your customers, in the sense your clients, to use Stripe. In case if they ask you which payment gateway do you suggest, you can suggest Stripe because it is very easy to integrate, and also it is a very secure and stable platform, right? All right, perfect. So let's go ahead and see how to integrate Stripe. So what is the official website of Stripe? So stripe.com, this is the official website of Stripe. I don't think I need to explain you much about this, what exactly this Stripe is and how to create an account. But before integrating Stripe in WooCommerce, you need to have a Stripe account, right? So what is the prerequisite for this process? First thing is you need to have Stripe account. How to open it? Just go to your browser, type stripe.com, and then go to here. You will find an option to sign up, I guess. Let's see, I have already logged in, so it is showing me dashboard. So if you click on if you go to stripe.com, you'll find here an option to sign in, right? Here you need to click on sign up, and right, so or you can simply go to dashboard.stripe.com/register. This URL you can just visit and directly enter your email, full name, country, password, and create your account, right? So I already have this account. It is completely free and you can create your account very quickly. So if you haven't created your account before, I'll just give you an overview what it will be like. You just create an account, enter business details. It will give you a form where you need to fill up just everything online. You need to fill up the business details and then provide business documents, and within 1 or 2 days your account will be fully activated, right? And here, as soon as you create an account, test account will be created, right? So a dummy account will be created as soon as you add your email address and all those stuff. And then once you add your business details and business documents is uploaded, they will verify manually and approve your account. And this will be approved. This process will take around 2 days. First step, this will take just 5 to 10 minutes, just 5 minutes. And this details, enter documents and provide details, is from your end. And then 1 to 2 days after, as soon as you complete till step 3, after 1 to 2 days, they will send you an email with saying that the account is fully activated. Once the account is activated, you will get login username and login password, right? Obviously, once the account is created, you will get login username and password, and also you will need this login username and password while integrating the Stripe. So once this is done, if you are doing it for your client and client don't have any Stripe account, you need to ask them to create a Stripe account, and these are the steps that he or she will have to take so that their Stripe account is created. 99% of the cases your client will already be having a Stripe account, and he or she will be giving you their login username and password. In case they hesitate to share login username and password with you, then you can ask them to share Stripe API details. What exactly they need to share, I'll tell you in a while, right? So let's go back to our dashboard here, and under WooCommerce. So what we need to do under WooCommerce, we need to, under plugins, we need to go and click on add new. See already here, okay. Anyways, so here what we can do is search for Stripe. As soon as you type Stripe, so here we have this by WooCommerce, right? This is official plugin. So what you can do is click on install now, WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway, right? As soon as it is installed, click on activate now. Once this plugin is activated, scroll down here. As you can see, the plugin is activated now. And now simply click on settings. Perfect. You will be shown this particular screen, right? So now what you need to do, you have two options. One is if your client doesn't have any account, or if you don't have any account, if you are creating a business website for yourself, then if you don't have any account, then you can click on this button and create an account. The step that I just showed you to create an account, the same process will be followed here as well. Or if you already have a account, then you need to have login username and password, and click this button and register, connect the Stripe account. Second option is enter account keys in the sense API documents. I said you right, we need API details. So what exactly are the details that we need is, if you click on this account keys, you will find live publishable key. What are the details we need? Publishable key, and then what else? Secret key, and then what else? Webhook secret. You need to add webhook secret here and add that same webhook in the this particular URL. Under this particular URL, add the following webhook endpoint. This is the endpoint to your Stripe account if there isn't an already. Okay, this will enable you to receive notification on Stripe status. Okay, perfect. So you need to add webhook secret as well, right? Now to this particular domain slash, this domain thing will be changing for everyone, so you need to make sure that you get these details, exact URL, and add it over there, right here under Stripe account settings. Directly here you have this permalink, so you simply click on this and you will be redirected to that particular page. So here you need publishable key and secret key. These are the main important aspects, and if you're testing, similarly you will need the same publishable key, secret key, and webhook secret. So the thing is, you need these keys, live publishable keys and secret keys. These two things are mandatory, and you will need these two things at least. Even if it's not this webhook, it is manageable, but still you need these two. For higher security, you need to add webhook as well. It is good and it is recommended, but at least you will have a publishable key and a secret key. You need to add it. It is mandatory. And how do you get it? Simply, you just need to log into your Stripe account, and under API keys you will find it, or simply you can type let's say this is my login details. I'll click on here. If you simply type it, you will get a document or something, right? Guide. I'll give you this link as well, so that it will be useful. It will be a reference guide, right? Locate API keys in the dashboard. They have written some article for that. Here is the document. So you need to log into the dashboard and simply go to developer section, and under developer you will have this option. Let's see if do we actually have it. This is my dashboard. Okay, so if it's the dashboard, then I can simply click on developers here, and then I can click on API keys here on the left side, right under the overview, right? And then I'll have this publishable key and secret key, right? I can simply copy this publishable key and secret key and then come back here and paste it, live publishable key and secret key, and then I'm good, right? I can go ahead and add webhook as well. I can open my settings. So you understood how to get this live API key, right? Secret key and publishable key. And here under settings, you can go ahead and add webhook as well. Right under this API key, you have this option called as webhooks, right? You can simply go ahead and you will need to add a, what do you call, you need to get this API, this URL from here, copy this URL and add endpoints. This URL has to be pasted here. This is an optional description. You can write something like testing e-commerce, just for our reference, and then click on event. We can, if let's say we can do charge is the one, and checkout. Select all checkout and select all charge, right? These two things, and then click on add event, then click on add endpoint, right? 17 events has been added. Okay, perfect. So now, yeah, this is how you need to add your webhook. And this is not useful. Actually, this is a dummy one, so I need to delete it. Anyways, I'll delete it after the video. So now the thing is, you need to get this publishable key and secret key and add it over here, right? So if you don't know how to add this details, what you need to do, simply click on create or connect an account. And then, so till now what we did, we got this API details, and using API details we added I showed you where to add, right? And if you don't have access to this option, if the client doesn't share API keys, or he or she doesn't know how to share API keys and all those things, they just shared your username and password, then what you can simply do is simply click on that blue button over there, and then you will be redirected to this particular page where you need to log in. So this is my login URL, login email, and then password, and then everything will be done by itself. The Stripe account will be connected by itself, and API keys will be taken by itself. Everything will be done by itself. Yeah, basically everything will be done for you, and it will be connected. So if you have multiple accounts, it will show you with the related to your account. You have multiple accounts, then you can simply select some account that you prefer to connect, and yeah, to use this business to create an account. No, so I'll select one account and then click on create. Perfect. Once the details are added, you'll be redirected back to your website. Now what you need to do, payouts disabled, webhooks is disabled. That is because some business details are need to be added. If in case you have added correct details and all those things, your account will be activated. Just wait for 1 or 2 days, right? So now let's say how to see whether my account payment gateway is added or not. Let's go back to my checkout and refresh. I need to see one option over here, additional option, credit card option, right? So yeah, I can see this here. As soon as you select this credit card, see how beautiful box appears over here. I can add my card details, and I can enter expiry date and all those things, save payment information if you want, and then place your order, right? That's it. It's as simple as that. So we have successfully connected our Stripe account to this particular website, right? So this is how we add payment gateways to our website, and it will work because it is in live mode, so I won't add any payment details or card details over here. But in your case, you can go ahead and test it by $1 or $2. You can make a payment and see how it works. As soon as the payment happens over here, you will be able to see that the order is placed in the backend, and you can also see that you will get a mail from Stripe as well that payment has been captured, right? So this is it. This is how you connect Stripe in your WooCommerce. And if you have any questions related to the settings or connections, please let me know in the comment section or ask in the Q&A section, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.